This is Heather Ross, and today I want to take a few minutes to talk to you about blogs, ebooks, and social media, and how these contribute to giving someone the confidence to purchase from you. Now, I once heard from a business coach that your website doesn't need a blog, that business owners, when they're deciding to purchase from you, they're not going to go to your website and they're not going to sit there and they're not going to read every single blog post that you've written. So don't bother with a blog. That was her advice. Now, I disagree with that. Here's what happens. A business owner, someone wants to do business with you, they're considering it, and they're going to go to your website to check you out. And they're going to go to your blog. Now, they're not going to sit there and they're not going to read every single blog post you wrote. That's true. But what they are going to do is they're most likely, a lot of times, going to skim through it, and they're going to choose about 2 blog posts to read, just to learn about you and who you are. And when they read it, they're going to see that you're writing on a topic that you're the expert about. So let's take, for example, a nutrition coach or a health coach, and they're considering hiring you. And they go and they see these blog posts that are full of rich, amazing content on health, and you're giving advice and you're saying tips on how to lose weight, how to stay healthy. You're sharing some healthy nutritional recipes, and it's full of this rich, amazing content. And that's going to instill confidence in them to consider working with you. Another thing that they are going to do is they're going to go skim through your social media. They're not going to sit and read every social media post you've written, but again, they're going to look at a few of the posts, and that's going to help contribute to them deciding to work with you or not. Then they go, on your website, another thing that they might look at is the ebooks that you've written. Now, ebooks for sure are great, to get subscribers for your newsletter list. That's a reason why you also have ebooks, is you give a free giveaway so they sign up for your newsletter. But ebooks also are going to show that you're an expert on your topic. So if you're writing great nutrition books, how to lose weight, exercise tips, all that type of stuff, that's going to also show to them that you're the expert, and it's going to make them want to do business with you. It's going to instill the confidence that they should call you up and hire you, because they've seen how you demonstrated your expertise. They've seen it on your social media, they've seen it on your blog post, and they've seen it on the ebooks that you've written, that you are an expert. To learn more about how to, increase your visibility and showcase your expertise, head on over to Amazon. I have a book. It's called Engineer Your Celebrity, and I go into this topic in detail. Thanks for your time today.